Mpilo loves Makhumalo more than her biological mother. I remember on season 1, Makhumalo want to have a conversation with Mpilo's mom. So Makhumalo told Mpilo that we have to go together to your mom's place. Mpilo says no, she is not going anywhere. Makhumalo was very shocked. Mpilo thinks Makhumalo loves her so much more than her biological mother because sometimes a stepmom can take care of you very good because their mother is still alive. If Mpilo's mom is not alive, I think Makhumalo is not take care of Mpilo because Makhumalo, what she did to Mpilo was to win Mpilo. Makhumalo was doing everything to Mpilo, spoiling her because she have got money. Mpilo doesn't know the importance of the mother because her mother, she doesn't have money like Makhumalo. Makhumalo, guys, what we saw on season 1 2017, Musamseleku and Makhumalo, they already have money. When Mpilo came in Makhumalo's life, Makhumalo and Musamseleku are already settled, but they don't have enough money. But Mpilo saw that Makhumalo have got a good life than Mpilo's mom. You saw Mpilo's mom's place she was staying. It's not a good place, or even a how that house was not like nice too much. Like Makhumalo's house in Musumbe. Makhumalo had a car. Mpilo is going to school with a car. Guys, Mpilo came to Makhumalo's life, maybe she was maybe 10 years, I don't know. But when she came in Makhumalo's life, Makhumalo was already settled because they have got businesses, what, and her mom doesn't have those things. Sometimes a child, guys, so maybe like Makhumalo is taking more extra care to Mpilo. You understand? That's why Mpilo doesn't want to go back to her mom because Makhumalo says we have to go back to have a conversation together, the three of them. Mpilo refused. Maybe Mpilo was thinking that maybe my mother said I have to come back home forever to stay than to enjoy the luxury life. You know that kids, they want things, guys. When you are a real parent, you don't have money, the child can't take you serious. Because I remember even they had a conversation on Izingane Zestembo season 3. Mpilo, Makhumalo, and Mpilo's mom together, the three of them. Mpilo was sitting at Makhumalo's side than her mom. Even the way she was looking at her mom like a stranger, like something, you understand? Because, guys, money is very powerful. Makhumalo is doing birthdays from Mpilo, buying things, and there is cars, luxury, that house, big house, and now there is a new house in Durban. You understand? So your mom doesn't have all those things. It's not a crime, but Mpilo have to know that it's her biological mother. You understand? Because at that time Mpilo was not comfortable, but now she is matured. Mpilo now, she knows. Even Makhumalo always telling her that this is your biological mother. I love Makhumalo so much. Even she do whatever she want to do to win Mpilo's heart, but she always telling that child that this is your mom, you have to respect her, what. Makhumalo always said to Mpilo, because Makhumalo knows how to feel you don't have a child. It looks like Mpilo's mom is her daughter only, and her daughter is love another mom. You understand? Mpilo have to know the importance to have a biological mom. Makhumalo takes good extra care of her because her mother was still alive. Look at Sneh. Macele was not taking care of Sneh, good care of Sneh, because her mother was not alive. Macele now, she is pretending like she is taking care of Sneh because there is television, there are celebrates. If you look back, that child is too bitter, Sneh. Macele was not take good care of Sneh. You understand? Macele decided to take that child, Sneh, and it was late. If Sneh was staying with Macele since her mother passed away, Macele raised Sneh at that time. Sneh was not that child she is now. You understand? Macele now, maybe she is regretting what she was done to dump that child. Macele dumped Disney, guys. Macele took Tando because she feel guilt for that child. Macele was not taking good care of Sneh all the time.